Hey, good morning. Good morning to all of you. Manan, Venkat, Akash, good morning. Good morning, Akshay, Herazu, Siddharth, D. Akash, good morning. Good morning, Arun. Good morning, Akshay. Heravin, good morning. Srivardhan, good morning. Good morning, Saideja. Likhit, Gurucharan, good morning. Good morning, Arun. Good morning, Hariprasad. Sir, when will start innovating Manan? Today. Jackie, good morning. So today we'll start trigonometry and in PDF in afternoon session we will discuss remaining questions of DPP2. Okay, and tomorrow we will discuss DPP3. Because good morning. Likhit, sir, what about trigonometry? Hey Likhit, we will discuss today now. In this class only, I will discuss trigonometry. We will complete the theory. That means which formula we need to remember and some 4-5 questions. And after that, in next session, we will discuss trigonometry. And in today's afternoon session, I will complete the remaining questions of DPP2. Forty-six member only. Is there 1 minute? Is there any problem in joining the class? Means any problem with respect to server? No problem. No? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. Please message to co-host only. Okay, JBR1. Now, next topic, trigonometry. Okay, so I'm going to start. So in trigonometry, what we need to remember, we need to remember only three things. One is the identity. Okay. Other is trigo ratio formula. And third one is formula for 90 minus theta. Okay. These only you have in 9th, 10th now. All the other things we have in 11th. Actually, in 11th, we have complete chapter trigonometry that will take 4 weeks. Okay. Now you can think that how much we will discuss. Now, first, let me write. Suppose if theta is any angle which lies between 0 and 90. Okay. Then for a right angle triangle. So on that day, you need to write some formula. Yes, actually, on that day I wrote because so that you can do the questions of paper with respect to exam only I wrote. But now we will discuss. Okay. So again, write in lecture notes. And this one you need to write in lecture notes, in fair notes. Okay. So suppose theta is any angle between 0 and 90, and we have a right angle triangle. Okay. This is the angle theta. And this is a right angle triangle. And remember, opposite side to the theta is always perpendicular. Perpendicular is the side opposite to the given angle theta. If there is theta is given, then this will be the perpendicular. Okay. And opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse and remaining is base. Okay. Then your formula of sine theta, then sine theta can be written as P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Formula of cos theta, we have B by H, base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is actually sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So if you divide H as cancel out, what we are getting? P by B, perpendicular by base. Okay. Now cosec theta, cosec theta. Actually, cosec theta is inverse of sine theta. It means cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Okay. Similarly, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay. So by using that one, cosec theta is h by p. This time I will not prove any formula, but when we will discuss in 11th JE, at that time I will discuss all the formulas. I will prove all the formulas that from where we got these. Okay, other than these simple formulas. All the new formula which I will write, I will prove. Okay. So here sec theta, here I'm writing only those formula which already you have in your 910. It means this is for revision only. H by B. And cot theta is the inverse of tan, so it is B by P. Okay, these are the formulas. Now next, identities. Identities in trigonometry, we have total 3 identities. First one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By using this identity, you can write sine theta in terms of cos and cos theta in terms of sine theta. Okay. So see, like this one. Suppose if sine theta is given 2 by 3, then so what is P? P for perpendicular, B for base, and H for hypotenuse. Okay, P for perpendicular, B for base, H for hypotenuse. Okay, then sine theta is equal to 2 by 3. And if you want cos theta, then use this to find cos theta. From this equation, cos theta can be written as root over 1 minus sine square. Na? Just simply sine square this side. So 1 minus sine square. And this is the value of cos square. If you want only cos, then root 1 minus cos sine square. Okay. Okay. Na? So if you have any one value out of sine theta, cos theta, then you can find the other. If you want cos theta, then it is 1 minus sine square theta. From this one you can find. If you want sine theta, then 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Second identity, view in terms of tan and cot. So actually, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Again, out of these two, if you have any one value, that other you can find by using this one. Just put the value in this identity, you will get the other. Okay. Then third one, relation between cosec and cot. Same as sec and tan, we have cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Actually, if we want, we can prove these all the identities, but already this proof you have in your 9th and 10th syllabus now. So I'm just writing only directly. Actually, there is a limitation of time. Otherwise, I will discuss all the things. Okay. Every week we need to complete 2 DPPs because we have only 4 week and 8 DPPs. Now, next thing that I'm going to write is the formulas of 90 minus theta. Okay. Composite angle formula. Formulas of 90 minus theta. Okay. This one also I'm not proving, but in 11th, actually in 10th, you have only formula for 90 minus theta. It means sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. But in 11th, you will see that your formula for sine 90 plus theta, sine 180 minus theta, sine 180 plus theta, okay, sine 270 minus theta, okay, these all and all we will discuss and I will prove, okay, but this time only for 90 minus theta. Jackie, sir, if theta is not 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 and there is a different angle, then how to find the values of sine? So Jackie, for this one, if you want to find the manually, we have two things. Either by computer, it means a calculator or any computer program, then you can find. If we want to find the manually, then you can find only these angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. And 11th, you will see the some more angle like 15, 22 and half, 54, 36, these. Okay, but you can't find for all. Suppose if you want the value of sine 2 degree, now we can't find. Sine 10 degree, we can't find. Sine 12 degree, we can't find. Okay, these we can't find. And even not required to find. Formula of 90 minus theta. So first I'm writing sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. And cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Then tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. And cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Similarly, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Okay, so these are the formulas for composite angle 90 minus theta. Now actually I want to write 2-3 more formulas like for sine A plus B, sine A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Actually, I know that these formulas are not in 10, but also not required for DPP, but maybe in one question, we want to use this. Okay, we need to use this. But in 11th, I will prove these all the formulas, but this time, let me write directly. Okay, so I'm going to write directly as a note sine A plus B, where A and B both are angles. Sine A plus B formula is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay. If there is sine A minus B we have, it means sign changes, then also just change the sign. Okay. Okay, look it. If you know the formula of sine A plus B, sine A minus B, good. If you don't know, please remember for once later in June, sorry, not in June, we will discuss trigonometry in July or August. In August, I will prove. Okay. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Actually, we have formula for sine, cos, and tail, but I'm writing only sine and cos. Okay, not for tail. Similarly, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B. Manan sir, what after sine A? First point after equal sign. This is, if you are asking in this one, this is sine A cos B. Sine A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay. And this is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Cos A cos B formula, A plus B formula is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Okay. And cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Okay. These four formulas. Now, actually, remember one thing that, hey Balaji, if cos A plus B, then there is no plus sign, then sign will be minus. Here, if you use sine, then one sine, one cos, one cos, one sine. Okay, na? In sine, one sine, one cos, one sine, one cos. In cos, both sine, both cos, both sine. In cos, both sine, both cos, both sine. Okay, if plus sign, then plus, minus, then minus. In sine, we have same sign, but in cos, we have opposite sign. Okay. Saki sir, right? Ten also. Yeah, Balaji. No, I'm not writing for 10. If you say I will write, but 1 minute. After these, I need to write something else that is important for 10th and in JE also. Sine A sine theta plus cos theta whole square. Sine theta plus cos theta whole square. Okay. Look at the 10 also. Okay, then write 10 also. I'm writing. 10A plus B is equal to 10A plus 10B by 1 minus 10A 10B. For now, we will use only formula of sine and cos. I'm writing for 10 also. Actually, rarely we will use in May, but at the end for J, you need to remember this. Yeah, Manan sir, is the 10 formula necessary? Manan, not for my. In May, actually, no formula is required from these. Only for 1 or 2 question we need to use in A. These all will be required in June. It means for J only. 10A minus 10B by 1 plus 10A 10B. Okay, please write down. After this one, I will just tell you only 2 more formula and then we will form the table for some standard angles like values for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And all the other which we can find, we will discuss in J. Okay. But for now, just write these. And now Likit quote is not opposite to 10. Okay, please write down fast. When you're done. Kushal, sir, are these trigonometric identities? Yes, Kushal. Biology cosine plus sine A plus cosine whole square equals to 2 sine A cosine. No, biology 1 plus. So what is the difference between the identities and equation? Hey Anand, identities it means formula which is true for all the values. Okay, and equation which is only true for some values. For example, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is identity because put any value of theta, this always true. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, for all this is satisfied. But if I write sine theta, sine 40, sine theta equal to 1 by 2. Now this is not true for all now. Suppose if I put 90 degree, then this is not true. This is only true for some values like 30 degree. Okay, other also we have that is 150 degree in this way. So if true for only some, then equation. If true for all, then identity. So if tan theta value is root 2, what is the value of Zaki, if tan theta value is not root 2, actually if you have, then it may be root 2 minus 1. That's for 15. Yes, Likit, but no need to remember. Rahul, sir, our derivation of these formulas are important. Hey, Rahul, actually for any formula, if you know the derivation, then it will be easy to remember. Okay. But if you are asking for the JE, then derivation are not important. But without derivation, you will not get the motive of formula. It means how we go. And without understanding, if you remember directly, then you are not able to solve the questions. Only you can solve direct formula based questions. Okay. And in JE, only formula based or fixed mind is not good. You need to know the fundamentals. Siddharth, sir, cosine meaning? Cosine meaning is cos only. Cosine means cos. And sine means sine. Actually, in early time, cosine is the full form of cos. In short, it is written as cos. Okay. Similarly, tangent is tan. And sine, in short, it's wrote as sine. Likhit cotangent is cot. Zakir, no, sir, root 2. Zakir, for root 2, directly we didn't have value for tan theta. We only for cosec sec, and for tan we have root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1. Okay, is this done? Can I change this page? All done now? Anand done, Akshay done. Okay, so I'm going to change. Vilas, sir, give me 2 minutes, please. Okay, Vilas, right. But message me after writing. This is tan A into tan B. Okay, na? Akshay done, Abhiram done. Okay. Shanna done. Vilas done. Siddharth, sir, are you going to explain quadrants? No, Siddharth, quadrants we will discuss in JEE. in 11th. In 10th, you didn't have quadrants now. This time only we are revising your 9th, 10th, nothing else. Griffith, done. Okay. So yeah, sir, what is the value of root of -4? So yeah, root of -4 in short written as 2 iota, but this is imaginary value. Okay. Imaginary, it means non-real value. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, done. Abhilash. Done. Okay. So all done now. Now next two more formulas and your table, and after that we will start the questions. And actually, this formula is important and simple also. Sometimes if you want sine theta plus cos theta whole square, then a plus b whole square if you use, then what we are getting, sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta into cos theta. Okay now, a plus b whole square I'm using only, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus remaining 2 sine theta into cos theta. Okay, this is the value of sine theta plus cos theta. So now you need to remember the formula of sine theta plus cos theta. What is the formula? 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay. Similarly, you can write the formula for sine theta minus cos theta whole square. All things will remain same. At the place of plus, this plus, what we have, minus a square plus b square minus 2ab na, in this one. Okay. So there will be minus only. This will be the change. So formula is 1 minus 2 sine theta cos theta. And this formula you need to remember even in the questions of DPP also I will use direct. Okay. Okay, so these are the formulas. Now I'm going to write the table value of trigonometric ratios for standard angles. Okay, you also write down directly because you all know already. I'm just revising. So here I will write the value of sine theta, then cos theta, tan theta. 1 minute. Here let me write only degrees. This side I will write the degree, and this side I will write trigonometric ratios. Okay. So degree 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay. And if you want, can I write for 180 also? No. Okay, leave. In 10th you didn't have enough. In 11th we will discuss. Here I'm writing sine theta value, then cos theta, tan theta. Okay, look at the right sir. Okay. Then cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Okay. Value of sine theta at sine 0. Here if I'm writing something here, this is the value of theta. It means if theta is 0, if theta is 0, it means sine 0, then this will be the value. If I'm writing something here 1 by 2, it means sine, this is the value of theta. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 in this way. Okay. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Okay. Root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1, sine 180 is again 0. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Actually, cos 45 and sine 45 both are equals to 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0, and cos 180 is minus 1. This time I can't tell you that how I got minus 1. I can explain, but it will take time. But in 11th, I will explain all the reason that why we got minus 1 only. Okay. Even easily you can find, but not this time. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30, tan is directly I'm finding by using sine by cos. I'm just dividing 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1, this is root 3. Tan 90 is infinity, and tan 180 is again 0. Okay, okay. So cot theta is 1 by 10, so infinity. Cot 30 is root 3. Cot 45 is also 1. This is 1 by root 3. It is 0 and again infinity. Okay. Sec theta is the opposite of cos. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, and 2, infinity, and 0. Sorry. It's minus 1. Cosec 0 is infinity. Cosec 30 is 2. Cosec 45 root 2. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 is 1, and cosec 180 is 0. Sorry, infinity. Okay, so just write down. This is the all about your theory which we needed to solve DPP and upcoming questions. Nothing else required from trigonometry. Okay, please write down fast and let me know if done, because after that we will discuss some questions. And 1 minute. Today actually done now. Okay. I'm speaking slowly. If you are not getting the voice, just message. I will speak loudly. Venkat done, Akash done, A Abhinam done. Okay, Manan done, Akshay done. Okay. Venkat no need sir. Okay. Prasanna sir, 1090 is not defined. Yes, Prasanna, infinity it means not defined. This infinity means not defined. But so your voice is loud and clear. Okay, no problem. Prasanna done. So done now. Anand done, Vikas done. Okay, all done. So I'm going to write a question. So can I change this page? I'm going to change this page. All done now. If not, then you can message. I will again show you the last page. Okay. So write a first question. Prove that sec theta plus cosec theta. So please so last page. Okay, so yeah, I'm writing here only then. Question is prove that sec theta plus cosec theta. If question done, then only see. It means if theory done, then only see the questions. Otherwise, I will wait. Don't worry. First, complete your theory. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta into cosec theta plus 2. Okay. This thing we need to prove. Okay, try this. Sec theta plus cosec theta into sin theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta cosec theta plus 2. This thing we need to prove. Vishwaya completed, sir. Okay. Vikas, good, sir. Okay, Vikas. Sir, sine 2 and cos 2 will be equal to 1. Manan, sir, sine 2 and cos 2 will be equal to 1, right? Hey, Manan, it sine square plus cos square. Yeah, sine square plus cos square is equal to 1 for any value of theta. Okay. Look it good, sir. Okay, Zakir Aman. One fruit, sir. Okay. Yeah, man. If you are saying sine square plus cos square, then this is always equal to 1. Okay, for any value of theta. Now, see, I'm also doing, let me do LHS. LHS is sec theta plus cosec theta into sine theta plus cos theta. Okay. So actually, first I will simplify this. And to simplify this, I will convert complete in terms of sine theta and cos theta. Okay. So here sec can be written as 1 by cos, cosec can be written as 1 by sine. So I'm writing 1 by cos theta and cosec as 1 by sine theta into sine theta plus cos theta. Okay. Yeah, man, correct. So what I'm doing in first one, I'm taking LCM and LCM will be cos theta into sine theta. So if you take this one as LCM, the sine will be this side and cos will be this side. So what we are getting? Sine theta plus cos theta. Okay. Now last we proved now. Okay. Sine theta plus cos theta. And here also we have sine theta plus cos theta. Okay. No problem. Now see, in numerator, what we are getting? Sine theta plus cos theta into sine theta plus cos theta. Can I say that we are getting sine theta plus cos theta whole square? In numerator, we are getting sine theta plus cos theta whole square and denominator cos theta into sine theta. Okay. Now further see, to solve this one. Sine theta plus cos theta whole square. Already we have formula. It is 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. And in denominator, what we have? Cos theta into sine theta. Okay. Now remember one thing. Some of you, if you are cancelling these, then this is not correct. Okay, now here we have plus sign. Only you can cancel denominator if these are in product. Suppose if you have 1 plus 2 sine theta into cos theta, then cos theta you can cancel because this is in product from all. Okay, but this is not in product now. These are in sum. Okay, so please don't cancel in this way. Okay, so then how to solve? Just divide to both. This one by this one plus this one by this one. Okay, so 1 by cos theta into sine theta plus. If you divide this one by this one, now you can cancel because all things are in product now. So if you divide this one by this one, cos theta sine theta cancel. What we are getting? Only 2. Okay, after dividing, then you can cancel. Now see, cos in denominator. If I will write this one in numerator, then 1 by cos is sec theta. Similarly, sine theta in denominator. If I write in numerator, then 1 by sine theta is cosec. Okay, opposite of cos is sec theta na. So 1 by cos theta equals to sec theta and 1 by sine theta equals to cosec theta. And plus 2 as it is. Okay, this is your answer. Cos in numerator become sec. Sine in numerator become cosec plus 2. Okay, sec theta into cosec theta plus 2. Now let me know if you have any doubt in this question. Otherwise, write down please. We will discuss next question. Naveen, so last step, can you repeat? Yes, Naveen, see. This one and this one. Now, what I did, sine theta plus cos theta whole square. This is the formula. 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay. So this one by this one, and one what you are getting 1 by cos theta. See, if it is like a plus b by c, so how to write a by c plus b by c? Okay, same thing I'm doing. 1 by this one and this one by this one. Okay, so 1 by cos theta sine theta and 2 sine theta cos theta by this one. Okay, so see 1 by this one as it is. The next which I'm saying that 2 sine theta cos theta by cos theta sine theta. Here sine theta cancel, cos theta cancel. What we are getting? Only 2. Okay. Now 1 by cos. 1 by cos is, this one can be written as 1 by cos theta into 1 by sine theta. Na? Same thing now. 1 by cos is sec theta, 1 by sine is cosec theta, 2 as it is. Okay. So sir, in the last step, we took both cos theta up and one sine theta up to get sec theta and cosec theta. Okay. So I'm not good at these things. Hey author, sir, I'm not good at proving these type of sum. Hey author, just simply in maths, you can't think that you can't prove these type of question. There is only practice required, nothing else. If you are thinking that you will remember the formula and directly the question will come, no, then directly you can't solve the question. Now first you need to practice at home. After that only you can solve. Okay, so you need to give the time, nothing else. Just always revise the lecture notes after the class. Okay, in this way you will be better. You can improve your maths. Surya Teja, sir, can we do another method also? Hey Surya, yes, you can do. Here first I'm writing in terms of sine cos. First you can multiply. Then also you can solve. Okay. Here I'm first writing in terms of sine cos and then multiplying. First you can multiply and then convert in terms of sine cos. Manan sir, in DDF we will do DPP or lecture note. Manan, in DDF first I will discuss the remaining questions of DPP2, and after that if time will remain then we will discuss some questions of trigonometry, and tomorrow we will discuss trigonometry. It means DPP3. So that will go home. No, yes. So must do it. I'll just say. Hey Naveen, oh, why I need to do an RHS side? But if you want always solve complex to simple, this is already simplified now. So if you can't prove always RHS to LHS, but if you want this time, then directly see, just reverse all the steps, you'll get your answer. If you want to do from RHS, this one, then this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. At the end, you will get this one. Yeah, so today we have DDF. Kushal, in trigonometry trick, it's not good for you. Method you need to remember. And this is simple questions. If you are failing that, this is difficult, then how you will manage with JEE? Even you are thinking for your 10th question. These all the questions are from your 9th, 10th, nothing else. Right, next question. Prove that now Kushal. Prove that sec square theta plus tan square theta into cosec square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 sec square theta into cosec square theta. Yeah, look it. So this is the question, same as above. You can solve. Just try once. We need to prove sec square theta plus tan square theta into sec cosec square theta plus cot square theta equal to 1 plus 2 sec square theta cosec square theta. If you want hint, first try to write in terms of sine cos and then solve. Okay, but do fast. Praneeth, sir, how many times you keep second case? Hey, Praneeth, this is not second. This is just only questions. Okay. The class completed, sir. Anand, sir, would be right to 1 by sine square and as sec square. 1 by sine square theta is sec square. No, sec square will be 1 by cos square, right? It got it, sir. One completed, sir. Subhash done, sir. Okay, Subhash. So see, I'm also going to do. So first, what I will do, I will write LHS. Same as last questions. Now answer okay. Sec square theta plus psi theta and tan square theta into cosec square theta. Author, sir, I'm getting one. No, author, wait. You did some mistake. Cot square theta. So first, what I'm doing, I'm writing in terms of sine and cos. So sec is 1 by cos now. Sec is opposite of cos. So sec square can be written as 1 by cos square theta. And tan square theta can be written as sine square theta by cos square theta. Now see one thing. Directly in these both, LCM will be cos square now. So can I write directly cos square in LCM? Okay. So that's why I'm going to write directly. If you write sec square 1 by cos square and tan square sine square by cos square, LCM will be cos square theta. And here you will get 1 plus sine square theta. No doubt now. In this way I can write now. Okay. Similarly, cosec is 1 by sine square theta and cot is cos square theta by sine square theta. LCM will be sine square theta. In numerator, what you will get? 1 plus cos square theta. Okay, so again, I'm going to write directly. Okay, 1 plus cos square theta by sine square theta. Okay, 1 minute. Why I'm writing directly? Why I'm writing middle step? Actually, if you write the all steps, then question length will be increased. Huh? Okay, and so cross multiply now. No, Manan, how can you cross multiply? If there is equal to in middle, then you can cross multiply. Okay. This time these both are in product, not in equality now. So if you want to multiply, this one multiply with this one and this one multiply with this one, nothing else. Okay. So I'm going to multiply. In denominator, what we are getting? Denominator is cos square theta into sine square theta. Okay, now denominator is this one into this one. In numerator, I need to multiply this one with this one. Okay, so first this one is multiply by one, so one. Then this one multiply by cos square theta, so cos square theta. Okay, I'm writing direct multiplication because you all can multiply. 1 plus cos square, then plus sine square theta, and plus sine square theta into cos square theta. Okay, I multiply these two brackets. Now cos square plus sine square is also 1. Okay, na? Cos square plus sine square is also 1. And this 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'm writing 2 plus sine square theta into cos square theta. Okay, na? 1 plus 1, 2. And this one as it is. And in denominator, what we have? In denominator, we have cos square theta into sine square theta. Again, same thing. If you are thinking that you can cancel, you are wrong. Okay, you can't cancel because here we have plus. If there is product, then you can cancel. Okay, then how to find? Then this one by this one plus this one by this one. Okay. Yeah, Manan, same thing as last. Because of that, I said now that please do it because this is the same as last. Cos square theta into sine square theta plus. Okay, I'm writing this time sine square theta cos square theta. This is also divided by cos square theta into sine square theta. See, now this time these all are in product, so you can cancel. Okay, if plus, then you can't cancel. If product, then you can cancel. Sine square to sine square cancel, cos square to cos square cancel, all things cancel. What we got? 1. So here we are getting 1. Now equal to 2. If these are in product, if you write cos square in numerator, then it will be sec square because opposite of cos square is sec square. If you write sine square in numerator, it will be cosec square. Okay, so 2 sec square into cosec square theta equal plus 1. Okay, in this way you can find. Now next question. Let me know if you have any doubt in this one, but I am writing next. Find a value of sine square 10 degree plus sine square 20 degree plus sine square 30 degree. At the end, sine square 80 degree. Professor, how you have this much good logic, sir? Have author, and there is what I'm saying now. Only because of practice that we both are equal. This is the only difference that you just came in alone, and in my case, I already passed before 15 years. Anand, one, no Anand, yeah, Varun, correct. Balaji, no. I'm asking for the value of sine square 10 plus sine square 20 plus sine square 30 plus sine square 80 till sine square 80. This dash, it means in middle view sine square 40, sine square 50, 60, 70, 8, then 80. Okay. Yeah, Balaji, correct. Akshay, not correct. Abhiram, not correct. Surya, not correct. Manan, correct. Vikas, correct. Likhit, not correct. Siddharth, correct. Tiakas, correct. Anudeep, not correct. Jaki, correct. B. Surya, no. Dheeraj, no. Okay, let me solve. So actually question is simple, but it depends on that one that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Yes, it's not 40, just say only 4. So see, what we need value of this one, let me write again. Sine square 10 degree, I'm writing all the terms. Plus sine square 20 degree plus sine square 30 degree plus sine square 40 degree. Rahul, yeah, correct. Sine square 50 degree plus sine square is 60 degree. Okay, and next what we are remaining 70 and 80. 1 minute, let me manage to write those two also. Plus sine square 70 plus sine square 80 degree. Yeah, B Surya, answer is 4. Now see, actually here we have sine square and 10, 20, 30. Actually for 30 degree, 60 degree, we know the value. But 10 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, for these we didn't have value. Okay. Then remember, for sine square theta, you have an identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. But this is only when we have sine square and cos square both. Okay. But here we have only sine square. So try to convert half sine square in terms of cos square. Okay. try to convert half sine square in terms of cos square, because to use this one, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, I need both. Okay, I need both sine square and cos square. So there are only sine square now. So either convert these sine square in terms of cos or convert these sine square in terms of cos. So I'm going to convert last 4 sine square in terms of cos. Now, if I want to write the sine square 80 in terms of cos, it means sine 80 in terms of cos. Then can you tell me what will be the value of sine 80 in terms of cos? Now, 1 minute, let me ask. Actually, who has out? The author, value of sine 80 in terms of cos. How much degree? Here, how much degree I need to write? Yes, I correct, but actually I want answer from author. Yeah, 90 minus theta. Correct, correct, correct. 10. Okay, na? Actually, we know that cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So sine theta also can be written as cos 90 minus theta. Okay, this is the only formula we need to use here. Okay, it means if you want to write sine in terms of cos, you need to write theta as 90 minus theta. It means if 10, then 90 minus 10 is 80. If 80, then 90 minus 80 is 10. Okay. So at the place of theta, what I will write? 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 80 is 10. So cos square 10. Similarly, sine square 70 can be written as cos square 20. 90 minus 70 is 20. Sine square 60 in terms of cos square is cos square 30. Okay, 90 minus 60. Similarly, sine square 50 is cos square 40. Okay, now see. Now don't convert all, because if you convert all, then also you will not get the value. We need to convert only half. So now see, the sine square 10 and plus cos square 10. Value of this one is 1. Okay, now then sine square 20 plus cos square 20 is also equal to 1. Sine square 30 plus cos square 30 is also equal to 1. And sine 40 plus cos 40 also equal to 1. Okay, all done now? Ritesh, please give me unmute option. 1 minute, Ritesh. First, let me add these. So answer what I am getting 4. Okay. Now please write down. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. I will explain. Ritesh, just give me 1 more minute. Let me write another question. Then find value of tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree into tan 89 degree. Okay. 1 minute. If you want to be unmute, you need to raise hand. Ritesh. Ritesh. You can unmute.
Sir, in this question, we can use that formula, sir, A is equal to in arithmetic progression formula.
Arithmetic progression, how can you use? Do you want to take common sine square in this one? Hmm? At this
Sir, we
formula
can
you
take
can use.
first term as sine square 10 and last term as sine square 80. Common difference as sine square 10.
Here it is. First thing, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is AP, but it doesn't mean that sine square 2, sine square 3, sine 3, sine 4, these are in AP. This one difference of these two is not same as these. Sine square 20 minus sine square 10 is not equal to sine square 30 minus sine square 20. Don't see only these number, your function sine 10. Okay. Have your sine square now. This is not in AP. And even you can take common sine square if you are thinking. Okay now?
Okay.
It is. Okay, so Vikas, your answer is correct. Naveen, sir, repeat again. Okay, Naveen, 1 minute. Sir, explain our state. Yeah, okay. The answer is 45. No liquid. Applying or adding in the last question. Manan, in this one, I'm adding, and in this one, I'm multiplying. Sine 10 1 degree. Actually, there's nothing is wrote now. Nothing is wrote. It means into. Okay. It is like A, B, C. In A, B, C, these are in product now because nothing is written. Okay, in this way, these are in product. Yeah, Vikas, the Akash, correct answer is no. Yeah, if you are getting answer one, then you are correct. If you are getting any other, then not correct. Okay, now let me explain this one. Actually, if you any doubt in this one, you need to remember one thing. Suppose if you want to convert any sine square in terms of cos, then how to write? First, sine 89. Suppose I want to write sine 89 in terms of cos, then it will be cos 90 minus theta. 90 minus 89. 90 minus 89 is 1. So just simply directly remember now, if you want to write sine theta in terms of cos, replace theta with 90 minus theta. It means 90 minus 89 is 1. So in this way, sine 5 degree can be written as cos. 90 minus 5 is 85. Sine 10 degree can be written as cos. 90 minus 10 is 80 in this way. Sine 80 can be written as cos 90 minus 80, 10 cos 10. Okay, in this way. Now see, we want some of the sequence. Now actually, I'm saying that convert half sine square in terms of cos. So sine square 80 can be written as cos square. We need to replace theta with 90 minus theta. If you are writing sine as cos, then theta is 90 minus theta. 90 minus 80 is 10, cos square 10. Now see, this sine square 10 and cos square 10 is 1. In same way, it means sine square 10 plus sine square 80, because this is cos square 10 na, is 1. Similarly, this is another one. This one is also 1 and this one is also 1. So 4 we are getting. Okay. Now next question. If you are getting answer as 1, then correct. If you are getting any other answer, then no problem. Let me explain. So I'm going to change this page. If you have any doubt, let me know. Okay, and when actually time up, we need this value now. So 10 1 degree. Now actually again same thing. Here anyone can tell me how many total terms we have. This is the last question. After that, I will end on 89 na, because 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree till 89. Okay. So in these 89, again, I will do same thing. I don't have value now, so I will convert. I will use the formula of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, it means I will convert 10 in terms of 4. But here we have 89. So if you convert half will be, middle term will be 45. 1 minute. First, let me write this one again. Then I will explain you 10 1 degree, 10 2 degree. In this way, in middle, somewhere you have 10 44 degree, then 10 45 degree, then 10 46 degree. Okay, and then 10 88, and finally 10 89. 10 89. Okay, now see. This 1089, if you convert this one in terms of code, then it will be code 90 minus 89. Okay, so code 1. Then 1088 can be written as in same way code 2 degree. I'm just replacing theta with 90 minus theta. 1046 can be written as port 44. 90 minus 46 is 44. Okay. So actually these are 44 and these are 44. I have converted in terms of code. Now what about 1045? Actually with this one we didn't have any pair now. So no need to convert. Just leave it. Yeah. Come on. So if you got the answer 1, you can leave. Okay. Yeah, man. So last one will be 1. So what I'm doing, I will write 10, 1 and port 1 simultaneously. Okay. I will form these all pairs. 10, 1 degree into port 1 degree. Okay. This is done. The next 10, 2 degree into port 2 degree. Now, if you see this one and this one, I wrote 10, 2 into port 2, I wrote. Similarly, till 1044, port 44, we have these pairs. So at the end, 1044 into port 44. And actually, these are 88 atoms. We have remaining 1045. Okay, no problem because we know the value of 1045. Now, actually, you need to remember that tan theta into cot theta is always 1. Tan theta into cot theta is always 1. But these are in product. Okay, and 1045 is also 1. So total answer is 1 because multiply 1 any number of time, it will be 1 only. How tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1? Because cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. And tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1 in this way. Okay. Now in doubt session in DDF, we will discuss remaining questions of DPP2 and some more questions of trigonometry. And tomorrow we will discuss DPP3. Okay. Yes, sir. Instead of multiplication, if there will be plus, then it will be 44 and half. No, yes. Actually, if there is plus, okay. If there is plus, then here you will get tan 1 plus cot 1. And there is no formula of tan theta plus cot theta. Okay. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. But tan theta plus cot theta is not equal to 1. Okay. So if there is plus, then even I am not able to solve this question. Okay. So here product is necessary. Yes, it's not square. And if this is square, then also you are not able to solve because tan square plus cot square is also not equal to 1. Only sin square plus cos square is 1. Okay. So please write down. After that, you can leave. We'll meet in afternoon session. Okay. Bye. Okay, Visuya, bye. So if all done, can I end this meeting? I'm going to end. Okay. Yes. Okay, bye.